Hey, aloha, Mark J. coming to you on another miserable day here in the winter in Kauai, Hawaii, living inside the dream. Welcome to our backyard. By the way, it's turtle season, so over my shoulder you may be able to catch one or two of them. It's a pretty popular area. They like swimming in the rocks, what can I tell you? And that's sort of the subject of this little idea that I want to share with you. Most people are not just swimming with the rocks, in network marketing, they're swimming with the sharks. A lot of sharks out there, and they're leveraging fear and inexperience. If you're inexperienced or you're fearful and you're buying into these membership sites and ways to develop people through social media and all that stuff, forget about it. You're being taken advantage of. And I've had just about enough of it. I've had it up to here. Now, our readers, as well as people that stop by on the blog by chance, and if that's you, welcome. You've catapulted us from 18th in the world up to number 8 in the world through a non-subjective source, not someone who says the top 25 blogs. This is actually from Alexa, which tracks all that stuff. And we wanted to give something back, and I decided rather than be angry, let's do something really positive. So let's talk about all this social media stuff. How's that working out for you? Okay, as my wife likes to say, is it working well for you? See, here's the thing. Fashion comes and goes, only principles endure. And if you really understand this, it'll help a lot. So here's sort of picture rain, hard to do here on Kauai, and there's a convertible underneath the rain, and that rain represents no time and no money. And you're in this convertible, and you want to drive over here where the sun is out, meaning plenty of time and plenty of money. Well, the vehicle itself is your planned product company. The GSP, is that what it is? GPS system. That's the skills that we offer, your upline support and so forth. You need one more thing to make that business go, and that's names. And you're not going to get them on social media. If you don't know, and it's unlikely they've told you, all these people that are pitching you on that stuff, and you're involved in some of that stuff, Facebook's changed the rules like they always do, and slamming your link out there and putting it all over the place in social media, it's not only is it not going to work, you're not even going to get a fraction of the exposure that you were under the new Facebook rules, which is really terrific for people that are really serious about building their business. So I'm going to do a webcast and show you how to get a minimum of 5,000 names locally free. Okay, now there's nothing for sale. Read my lips. We usually like to say this. We love giving back to the people that made this blog and our site so popular. So there's nothing for sale before, during, or after. I'm going to show you get 5,000 local leads free. I'm going to show you have 25 people in business a week that have businesses in your area expecting a call from you about what you have to offer. And we have another technique that we're going to show you where you'll actually build a network of over 400 people that'll constantly feed you needs within 6 months. So you get immediate leads to build your business. Now here's the kicker. With less than 300 names, anybody can build a huge organization. So grab that link down below, get registered, okay? By the way, if you're seeing this on YouTube, the site you want to go to get registered for the webcast is freemlmskills.com. Always use cheat sheets, any advantage you can get. So we're going to show you why you don't need any of those costly tools and membership sites and all that kind of stuff to have more people than you could possibly talk to. Because let me tell you something about posture. Posture is earned, it's not an attitude. And when you have thousands of names, and you can teach your people how to get thousands of names, and they're local people staying longer, proven fact, it's not a mystery, and you know how to get a yes from them in less than 17 seconds to looking at what you have posture. So I'm going to show you how to do that on this webcast. You're going to love it. Be a leader. Share it with your team. Again, it's about a 1 hour webcast. Now, if you haven't been on our webcast before, They're all meat. We start on time, and it's all meat. So make sure you grab that workbook. You can grab it on that link. That'll lead you to the registration page for the webcast. Peace be the journey. And I'd love to know what you think. Leave me a comment down below. And if you would be so kind and smart, share this with your team. I mean, can you imagine 10 or 15 people in your group, each with 5,000 names? Game over, you win. Peace out. See you on the beaches of the world.